everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Us. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're joining us today.
Have you ever met someone, wanted to start a conversation, but suddenly you didn't know what to say in English?
Believe me, that happens to almost everyone. Even confident English learners sometimes don't know how to start a simple conversation.
The good news is you don't need difficult vocabulary, you don't need perfect grammar, and you definitely don't need to sound like a native speaker.
Exactly. Most daily conversations begin with very simple English. The secret isn't using big words. The secret is speaking naturally.
Today's lesson is all about daily small talk. These are the short conversations people have every single day.
You'll hear small talk at school, at work, in cafes, at the supermarket, while waiting in line, even inside an elevator.
Have you ever heard someone say, "How's it going?"
Or maybe, how's your day going?
These questions usually aren't asking for your entire life story. They're simply a friendly way to start talking.
That's why small talk is one of the most important English skills you can learn. It helps you make friends, feel more confident, and sound more natural.
Today's lesson is all about daily small talk. These are the short conversations people have every single day.
You'll hear small talk at school, at work, in cafes, at the supermarket, while waiting in line, even inside an elevator.
Have you ever heard someone say, "How's it going?"
Or maybe, how's your day going?
These questions usually aren't asking for your entire life story. They're simply a friendly way to start talking.
That's why small talk is one of the most important English skills you can learn. It helps you make friends, feel more confident, and sound more natural.
In today's lesson, we'll learn useful questions, natural answers, common expressions, and pronunciation tips. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to start a conversation confidently.
And here's a small challenge for you. Don't just listen. Repeat every sentence after us. Speaking out loud is the fastest way to improve your English.
Ready? Let's start our first real conversation.
Hi, Alex. It's great to see you again. How's your day going?
Hi, Emma. My day's going really well. Thanks for asking. How about yours?
I'm doing great. It's been a busy day, but a very productive one.
That's wonderful. What have you been working on today?
I've been preparing new English lessons, recording podcasts, and reading interesting books. What about you?
I've been practicing my English every day. Last night, I watched an English movie. It was entertaining, and I learned many new expressions.
That's an excellent way to learn. Movies help you improve your listening skills and teach you how native speakers communicate naturally.
Exactly. Sometimes I repeat the dialogues after the characters. It really helps my pronunciation.
I do the same thing. It's one of my favorite ways to practice English.
At first, I felt a little nervous. I was afraid of making mistakes. But after practicing every day, I became much more confident.
That's a great lesson for everyone watching. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today. Every conversation helps you improve.
Emma, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like visiting coffee shops, reading books, meeting friends, and spending time with my family. Simple conversations like these make everyday English feel natural.
That sounds like a wonderful weekend. I also enjoy going for a walk and listening to English podcasts.
Now, everyone listening, try saying these sentences with confidence.
My day's going really well.
Excellent. Here's another useful sentence.
I've been practicing my English every day.
Very good. Now let's learn one more.
What have you been working on today?
Fantastic. The more you repeat these simple sentences, the more natural your English will become.
Remember, confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. Confidence comes from speaking a little every single day.
Great job! Let's continue and learn even more useful daily small talk expressions. Now let's continue with another real-life conversation. Imagine you're meeting a friend after a few weeks.
This happens all the time. At work, at school, or even while shopping.
Hi, Alex. Long time no see. How have you been?
I've been doing really well.
I've just been busy with work. How have you been?
I've been great. I've been learning new recipes and spending more time outdoors.
That sounds interesting. What's your favorite thing to do after work?
I enjoy taking a walk in the park. It helps me relax after a busy day. What about you?
I like going to the gym. Sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I just watch a good movie.
That sounds like a perfect balance. Everyone needs time to relax.
Absolutely. A healthy balance between work and relaxation is very important.
Now, let's learn some useful small talk expressions.
Expression number 1. How have you been? We use this when we haven't seen someone for a while.
Expression number 2. What have you been up to? This means, what have you been doing recently?
Expression number 3. It's good to see you. This is a simple and polite way to greet someone.
Now, let's use these expressions in a short conversation.
Hi, Emma. It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too. What have you been up to lately?
I've been practicing English every evening. I'm also trying to speak a little every day.
That's fantastic. Small daily practice creates big results over time.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to have a conversation. You only need the confidence to start.
Even simple questions like, how's your day going? Or, how have you been? Can start a great conversation.
The more you use these expressions, the more natural they'll become.
Excellent work, everyone. In the final part of this lesson, we'll put everything together in one complete natural conversation. You'll also learn a few bonus expressions that native speakers use every day. Now it's time for our final conversation. This time, just relax. Listen carefully and notice how naturally these expressions fit together.
Imagine you've just met a friend at a coffee shop after a long time. Let's begin.
Hi, Alex. Wow, it's been such a long time. How have you been?
Hi, Emma. I've been doing really well. Work has been keeping me busy, but everything is going great. How about you?
I've been great too. I've been working on new English lessons and enjoying my weekends with family and friends.
That sounds wonderful. Have you learned anything new recently?
Yes, I've started reading more English books. I've also been listening to podcasts every morning. It's a fun way to learn new words.
That's a great idea. I usually listen to English while I'm driving or going for a walk. It makes learning feel easy and natural.
What advice would you give to someone who's afraid of speaking English?
I'd say, don't wait until you're perfect. Start with simple conversations. Speak a little every day. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Exactly. Confidence grows through practice, not through perfection.
Before we finish, let's quickly review today's useful expressions.
How's your day going?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
How have you been?
I've been really busy lately.
What have you been up to?
I've been practicing my English every day.
These are simple expressions, but they're used in real conversations every single day.
Try using at least one of these sentences today. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become.
We have a challenge for you. Write your answer to this question in the comments. How's your day going?
We'll read your comments and help you improve your English.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to speak with us for more real English conversations.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every single day.
We'll see you in our next lesson. Take care and goodbye.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.